Investing in land for beginners. Welcome to Be a Baby Billionaire. Investing in land offers a myriad of opportunities and challenges, requiring careful consideration of various factors to navigate the complexities of the market successfully. From assessing risks and rewards to understanding legal and regulatory considerations, investors must delve into diverse aspects of land investments to make informed decisions. In this comprehensive guide, we explore the multifaceted nature of land investments, covering topics ranging from the speculative nature of raw land to the intricacies of agricultural opportunities and the importance of balancing investment objectives with lifestyle preferences. By delving into these discussions, investors can gain valuable insights into the dynamics of land investments. 1. Risk and reward in land investments. Understanding potential pitfalls and benefits. Investing in land entails both risks and rewards. On one hand, land investments can provide long-term appreciation and serve as a tangible asset that hedges against inflation. However, they also come with inherent risks such as market volatility, illiquidity, and potential regulatory hurdles. Moreover, the returns on land investments are often uncertain and may require significant holding periods before realizing profits. Investors must conduct thorough due diligence, assess market conditions, and consider factors like location, zoning regulations, and development potential to mitigate risks and maximize returns. 2. Types of land investments: residential, commercial, agricultural, and recreational ventures. Land investments encompass a diverse range of opportunities tailored to different investor preferences and objectives. Residential land investments involve purchasing plots for housing development or individual residences, offering the potential for capital appreciation and rental income. Commercial land investments focus on properties for retail, office, or industrial use, providing opportunities for steady rental income and value appreciation. Agricultural land investments involve buying farmland for crop cultivation, livestock raising, or specialty farming like vineyards or orchards, offering the potential for agricultural income and long-term appreciation. 3. Real estate investment trusts, offering real estate exposure without direct ownership. Real estate investment trusts are investment vehicles that allow individuals to invest in real estate without directly owning properties. Real estate investment trusts pool investors' money to purchase and manage income-producing properties, such as commercial buildings, apartments, or hotels. They offer dividends derived from rental income and property appreciation, providing investors with a steady income stream and potential capital gains. Real estate investment trusts are traded on major stock exchanges, providing liquidity and accessibility to a diversified portfolio of real estate assets. By investing in real estate investment trusts, individuals can gain exposure to the real estate market without the challenges of property management, while benefiting from professional management and potential tax advantages associated with real estate investment structures. 4. Challenges in small-scale farming. Financial and operational hurdles for small investors. Small-scale farming poses significant financial and operational challenges for investors due to various factors such as limited resources, economies of scale, and market competition. Small investors often face difficulties in accessing capital for land purchase and operational expenses, which can hinder their ability to compete effectively in the agricultural market. Additionally, small-scale farmers may encounter challenges related to labor management, crop diversification, market access, and regulatory compliance. Balancing the financial viability of farming operations with sustainability and profitability requires careful planning, risk management, and ongoing investment in technology and innovation. Despite the challenges, small-scale farming can offer opportunities for niche markets, value-added products, and sustainable agriculture practices that align with investor values and objectives. 5. Legal and regulatory considerations. Addressing land use restrictions, easements. Legal and regulatory considerations are paramount in land investment, encompassing factors like land use restrictions, easements, zoning regulations, and environmental laws. Understanding these aspects is crucial as they can significantly impact the potential use, development, and value of the land. Land use restrictions may limit certain activities or developments on the property, while easements grant rights to third parties for access or utility purposes. Compliance with environmental laws is essential to avoid liabilities associated with contamination or natural resource management. Addressing these legal and regulatory considerations ensures compliance, mitigates risks, and protects the investor's interests in land ownership and development. 6. Infrastructure and utilities. Analyzing the importance of basic amenities. Infrastructure and utilities play a critical role in the viability and value of land investments, influencing accessibility, functionality, and development potential. Basic amenities such as electricity, water supply, sewage systems, and telecommunications infrastructure are essential for land usability, habitability, and marketability. Access to transportation networks, roads, and public services further enhances the property's accessibility and desirability. Investors must assess the adequacy and reliability of existing infrastructure and utilities, as well as the costs and feasibility of improving or expanding them to meet future needs. Investing in land with robust infrastructure and utilities enhances its potential for development, resale value, and long-term investment returns, while inadequate amenities may pose challenges and investment opportunities. 7. Property tax impact. Understanding taxes' effect on land ownership. Property taxes have a significant impact on land ownership, influencing the overall cost of holding and investing in land. Property tax rates and assessments vary depending on factors such as location, land use, and property value, affecting the property's affordability and investment returns. Investors must understand the property tax implications associated with land ownership, including tax rates, assessment methods, exemptions, and payment schedules. Evaluating property tax burdens helps investors assess the financial feasibility and profitability of land investments, considering factors like cash flow, operating expenses, and potential tax deductions. Property tax planning strategies, such as tax incentives, deferrals, or appeals, can help mitigate tax liabilities and optimize investment returns in land ownership. 8. Due diligence in land investment. Comprehensive research before purchase. Due diligence is essential in land investment, involving thorough research, analysis, and evaluation of various factors before making a purchase decision. Conducting comprehensive due diligence helps investors identify risks, opportunities, and uncertainties associated with the property, ensuring informed decision-making and risk management. Key aspects of due diligence in land investment include assessing property characteristics, ownership rights, title issues, zoning regulations, environmental considerations, market conditions, and financial feasibility. Engaging professional advisors, reviewing legal documents, and performing financial analysis are essential steps in the due diligence process. By conducting rigorous due diligence, investors can mitigate risks, maximize investment returns, and make sound investment decisions in land acquisition and development. 9. Speculative nature of raw land. Recognizing risks in undeveloped land investments. Investing in raw land carries inherent risks due to its speculative nature, particularly in terms of uncertain future development potential and market demand. Raw land lacks income-generating capabilities and may require significant time and resources for infrastructure development, zoning approvals, and market appreciation. Investors face risks related to fluctuating land values, economic downturns, regulatory changes, and unforeseen challenges in land development. Recognizing these risks is crucial for investors to make informed decisions, conduct thorough due diligence, and implement risk management strategies to mitigate potential losses and maximize returns in raw land investments. 10. Long-term financial planning, considering time horizon and goals. Long-term financial planning is essential in land investments, involving careful consideration of investment goals, time horizon, risk tolerance, and financial objectives. Investors must define their investment objectives, whether it's wealth preservation, capital appreciation, income generation, or legacy planning, and align their investment strategy accordingly. Considering the long-term nature of land investments, investors should assess factors like market cycles, inflation, interest rates, and economic trends to develop a sustainable investment plan. Diversification, asset allocation, and periodic review of investment performance are key components of long-term financial planning to achieve financial security and meet long-term financial goals. 11. Environmental and weather risks. Assessing vulnerabilities in agriculture. Agriculture investments are exposed to environmental and weather risks that can significantly impact production, yield, and profitability. Factors such as drought, floods, hurricanes, pests, diseases, and climate change pose threats to crop cultivation, livestock raising, and timberland management. Assessing agriculture involves understanding regional climate patterns, soil quality, water availability, and natural disaster risks to mitigate potential losses and optimize agricultural productivity. Implementing risk management strategies such as crop insurance, irrigation systems, pest control measures, and diversification of crops can help protect against environmental and weather-related risks in agriculture investments. 12. Accessing market info. Utilizing university resources for valuation reports. Accessing market information is crucial for land investors to make informed decisions and assess the value and potential of their investments. Universities and agricultural departments provide valuable resources such as research reports, market analysis, and valuation studies that offer insights into land market trends, pricing dynamics, and investment opportunities. Utilizing university resources for valuation reports allows investors to access unbiased, credible information and data-driven analysis to evaluate land investments, identify market trends, and make sound investment decisions. Leveraging university expertise and research can enhance investors' understanding of the land market, improve investment strategies, and optimize investment returns. 13. Summing it up. As investors delve into the multifaceted world of land investments, they embark on a journey filled with opportunities and challenges. From navigating legal complexities to assessing environmental risks and balancing personal aspirations with financial objectives, the path to success in land investment demands careful consideration and strategic planning. By exploring the diverse topics covered in this guide, investors gain valuable insights into the intricacies of land investments, empowering them to make informed decisions and chart a course toward maximizing returns while aligning with their long-term financial goals and lifestyle preferences. Whether venturing into residential development, agricultural ventures, or exploring innovative investment vehicles like real estate investment trusts, enables investors to navigate with confidence and seize opportunities in the dynamic world of land investments. Time for the soft question. Do you like to invest in land? If so, why? If no, why not? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. This will help everyone learn and grow together. Subscribe with us and learn. If you find the information in this video valuable, please subscribe and share it with family and friends. Your support will help us create many more high-quality videos like this. Please support us. Hit the like button and the notification bell to be notified. Click on these 2 videos shown here to explore even more. The contents of this video are for educational and informational purposes only. Thank you for watching.